Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a pin in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Pinterest app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our feed, where we can gather interesting ideas. From here, we have to tap on the plus icon in the bottom middle of the screen. And here we can select pin. And to create a pin, we have to give permission for the Pinterest app to access our gallery. And if we do this, and if we give permission, then we can add photos to our pins and create pins based on our photos from our gallery. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.